Hey guys, today I'm unboxing the Amazon Echo Dot. Thanks to my friend Eric for lending me this device also. This is the box that it comes in, some of the features of the box on the sides, as you can see, and on the other side you have the details of the device. It costs around 4,500 rupees in India, which is not cheap. And let me just get it opened. 1 second. Yeah, there we go. First up itself is the actual device. It's not as deep as I thought, so it's not that thick. It's kind of small only. This is the actual device, and you have the power cord slot there. Not much else, it's kind of smooth. Some of the details of the device on the back of it. Let me just put on the side here. What else do we have? Okay, some booklets. Let me just get them out. So the first booklet is the quick start guide for the device, some instructions how to get started, and then the next one is a warranty booklet, not much use for most people, and the last one is a commands book just to get it started in case you do not know what to do with the device. Basic stuff there, and inside you have the power adapter. Oh wow, that's pretty much it. Not much to unbox here, just two devices, the device itself and the power adapter. Well, that's pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys like the video, do hit like and share with your friends. Also subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.